So, everyone asks like chefs, what do you like to eat? We like to eat things cold. We don't care. Today I'm starving. I did a big event yesterday, so I'm thinking the Fantastic Four. I've got hoisin. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, just like I say the W Worcester wrong. I've got some sriracha and buffalo. I'm gonna put these four together on this venison and burrata burger, and just see how it tastes. Hey, we've got the right. Well, we definitely have the right wine. I've got red and white, so something's gonna pair correctly. Let me try one of each. Red's great. Yum. The white's great. So the wine's gonna work either way. Let's just mix this up super quick. Don't judge me for how I say things or if I look tired. Hey, Grandpa. So I'm gonna just do quarter, 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 quarter of each. I make complicated sauces all day long, and so I'm just doing this dirty pantry sauce today with something that's gonna kind of give us that SWICY, sweet, spicy, little bit of everything. I'm a purist. I don't like a bunch of shit on my burger. So I'm just doing this big chunk of burrata, and it's actually venison. And I'm just going to pour this shit over the top, too. I like a lot of sauce. Okay. This is going to be gnarly. All right. I need a second mouth. Okay. Mm, mm, damn it. That's fucking good.